YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea J, and today's video is going to be all about this effortless slay right here. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts or just the overall specs on this unit, please stay tuned. Showing you how effortless and easy this wig was to install and slay. Okay, this is definitely beginner friendly. Like, y'all, this is a grab and go everyday wig. Like, I don't know, I need this in every color. That's how I'm feeling. Granted, it did take a minute for these two strips right here to grow on me, but you know, freshly ironed out, she kind of cute. You know, we kind of like her. She got body, you know what I'm saying? It's a really nice density. I like her, you know, not too much I can say. Not a lot of shedding, little to no shedding to be exact. No tangles yet. Like, she really nice, and I've been wearing her for a minute, so yeah. She a go, sis, she a go. If you guys are interested in this unit, there will be a direct link to this wig in the description box below, per usual. And that's gonna conclude my video, you guys. I hope you did enjoy. Leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye, y'all.